eBay China for the win. Everything I buy is from China. You should check the rear wheels for added safety. I did that actually. Guys, I trust the Chinese. I trust them. I believe this is 14 millimeter. Yes, perfect fit. Okay. 14 millimeter, and these are my 1/2 inch set. What the? Oh, these are my shallow well. There's shallow well and there's deep well. That's good to know. Isn't that what it's called? The shallow sockets and the deep sockets? Oy. The shallow sockets judge you by your looks. They don't judge you by what's on the inside. Okay. You know what's hilarious? Real car mechanics are watching me laughing right now. That's actually really funny. I'm like the biggest fail, I guess. Need my cheater bar.
That's what I was talking about, but I knew somebody had like a 12-foot one. That's hilarious.
This cheater bar is taking me a long way, guys. Let's see.
It's too long.
I'll put it on and then put it in there.
Oh yeah, you're cheating.
Yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to spray everything with penetrating oil.
Or WD-40.
Well, WD-40 is considered a penetrating oil, isn't it, guys? I think it is.
They'll spray your face.
Alright. Should I wait for a little while? I think you could put this under creative comedy. Guys, you missed it. I actually started my hair on fire while welding an exhaust part on like a month ago.
No, that was a couple weeks ago. She said, hey, Kat. I'm like,
Oh, I got it! Woo! Guys, working on cars is so easy.
Somebody said, wait, let me make some popcorn. Appreciate it. No way.
Well, a lot of people in their 30s have had kids.
Yeah, but he said, I can't say MILF. That means I'm ugly. Even though I don't have kids. But thanks.
No, he's saying he can't say MILF because it's a banned word. Your message gets deleted if you say the word MILF. There's a word filter for cussing. It's considered a cuss word. So he's saying, I can't say MILF? Like, I can't say that?
Who is he talking to?
He's talking in general to the chat room saying...
That means mother, I like to talk.
I know what it means. He's saying to everybody, oh, why is this a banned word on this channel?
But why is he talking about? We're talking about cars.
Oh, I can click on his deleted message to see. Oh, MILF. So he must have saw top of your head and then made that comment.
Do I look cute? Not at all.
Well, the word MILF
I know.
is a compliment.
Humanoid robot. Think X machine. The Terminator. Data from Star Trek, etc. I want the robot to ultimately move like a human. Be able to walk, run, jump, do chores, dance, and do sports and have fun, and be able to conversation realistically, paint and do sculptures, cook meals. That's you! That's you! That's you! Cook meals!
Yeah, I wrote that. Moobot said
Oh,
it.
that's you?
Yeah, Moobot and Nightbot are my bots patrolling chat.
Look, he said milk is compliment. Filter that woman's mouth.
And thanks for the follow, Demented Warlock.
He said filter that woman's mouth.
Yeah, because you said the F word.
Oh, I didn't know you could hear me.
Yes.
I don't know.
These cameras, they can hear you.
I didn't know that.
You don't have Twitch alerts? I don't know what I'm using, but it's not Twitch alerts. I'm using Night Dev alert or something. Okay, so I just took apart something happened, which is typical. The outer caliper I think was supposed to come off when I took apart both of its bolts, but that wasn't the case for me. So that means I have to just take off the inner caliper bolts as well, take it all out, blah, blah, blah.
I'm about to put my head back up this side.
Okay, so now I need
That's funny. I didn't know they heard me.
my 19 millimeter socket for the large ones in the back. Holy cow, it's bigger than that? What the? I don't even have bigger than that. Oh, yeah, I do. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness, this is as big as my hand. Okay, not really, but that's huge. Okay, that's too big. That's close. We've left the metric system though, guys. Okay, so I'm fitting this bolt right here. Wait. This one. Yeah, right there. It's kind of loose, but like it rocks a little bit, but it's a pretty close match. I'd say it's good enough. How about that? I gotta make sure it's righty-tighty. Okay, I want lefty-loosey. Lefty-loosey. You guys think there is actually a girl named Lucy who is left-handed? I'm trying to take off the caliper. Okay. He, who, ha, ha. Good grief. Ha. Heh! Heh! He! 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 Who! Who! Alright, I'm gonna have to lay down for this. This thing is really on here. This is how you guys gotta do it, right here.
Can we do it at the same time?
think I need to lay on the ground. I need to be lower.
Hold on. 1, 2, 1, 2. You're gonna die. Oh, you're gonna die.
Yeah.
Don't be under there.
We got it.
Okay, yeah. Get out from there. You're gonna die. Thanks to your.
Boom!
Thanks to your sister.
Boom! That's how we do it!
I can't believe Tracy watches you. That's crazy.
Guys, you know what I noticed? This brake caliper seems bigger than the brakes on the rear.
Like fatter? It's probably rust.
Yeah, I think the brake pads are bigger too.
It feels like it's all rust.
No, I mean like it's a bigger, the whole thing is bigger. Is that just normal, guys? Like, I'm pretty sure when I looked in my pile of brake parts, I noticed some of the brake pads were bigger than others, and I was like, oh crap, I must have got the wrong ones. But now I'm realizing, oh, that just means it's the front brakes. So the front brakes are designed to be bigger pads than the rear brakes. And I'm supposing that's because the front brakes are more important, or it's more difficult to brake on the front, or something engineering related. I don't know.
What's it called? Stitch? What's it called? What's your site here?
What?
Stitch?
What?
What site are you on?
Oh crap. Twitch.tv.
Oh.
/Gardog. Grr. The front brakes do 70% of the stopping power. Man, you know a lot. That is so cool. I have like a car encyclopedia. I'm watching my stream. He knows everything. Oh, back disc brakes need that special tool to push the cylinder. I actually used a C-clamp for mine to get the caliper cylinder pushed in. Yeah, bigger brakes equals less heat. That makes sense. Actually, I think this will be easy to do with one person because I get to just push it down.
Be careful.
Pretend like I'm a runner. Okay, it's not that easy.
He needs his sister.
No, you can't help me.
I'm not.
Then they'll think I'm weak.
Okay.
I am Hercules, reborn.
I'm Xena, warrior princess.
Oh, check this out, guys. Pro tip. Check this out. Alright, I had the cheater bar, like, right up on here. If you pull it away, like that, now you're getting the full length of it. Because it's longer if you pull it away. It was like right here. I'm going to get extra 6 inches.
Don't tear the piston steel. Be careful.
No, it's very safe doing it by hand. Okay.
You need help? Here, you're gonna die. Let me help you.
I got it.
I can do it.
Okay. What I need is to be able to push and pull at the same time.
I got you. Just let me know when you need my help. I'm waiting.
I got too much stuff on the ground right here. Hey! 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 Hey!
I see bloody knuckles coming up. Me too! I'm about to help him.
Guys, if you use a hammer, it means you're not Hercules. I am Hercules.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Do not help me. Ha!
Yeah, you're gonna die. You gotta push it in more. I'm gonna help you.
No. Hey, hey. Ooh, I like this. These are my triceps now. Tricep pushdowns. Hey, hey, hey.
You're gonna break your whole freaking
I'm not breaking anything. All the weight is being turned into torque force.
But all that into your car is moving.
No, it's.
I'm looking at it. You're gonna break your. It's not moving. That's righty tighty though. It's lefty loosey.
No, it is not.
It's not righty tighty, lefty
This is
loosey.
lefty loosey right here.
You're going right.
No, I'm not. It's turning it that way. You're backwards.
Righty tighty.
Because the bolt's not that way. I'm coming this way. The bolt's over here.
Oh.
Okay, I got an idea.
Hold on.
Hey! I'm gonna come from this side. See, if my sister helps, all of you following along from home will need to find a partner. I want to teach you guys how to do this alone with no special tools, because mechanics are forever alone. Not saying mechanics aren't attractive, I'm saying mechanics usually don't have a helper. Ooh, you can use your foot. Maybe not. Ooh! Maybe. Check this out. A cheater bar in your cheater bar. Woohoo! It's cheater bar inception. Hi, hi.
Look, I got the commentary.
Maybe.
That's the commentary.
Check this out. Oh, snap! I did it. I did it.
Look here. Look.
I did it.
Look here. Look. What's the commentary?
You're letting me hear myself that I just said that. Actually, I've never hurt myself. So even though I'm inexperienced, I never hurt myself because I'm very deliberate in my movements.
I'm not gonna turn it off so you don't hear it.
Hammers are for wimps.
You got it.
That's how we do it, boys. What did I go to college for? I actually majored in Spanish because I like Spanish women. Now I'm engaged to a beautiful Spanish woman. She's only with me because I know Spanish. Hey! You need to mute that there because that's going to be annoying for them to hear.
I don't know how. Do it. I don't know how to do this.
Just turn your phone down.
Wait. Okay.
Mute your phone.
Okay. You know how to do it. And it got a lag too.
No, I believe you, Blazin. I know mechanics are tough guys, but I'm just saying, like, I don't like using hammers for turning bolts, I feel like that would have a greater chance of shearing the head off the bolt. Or like shearing something. Because it's like that over-the-top shock force. It just seems too risky to me.
You want me to spray your tire and start cleaning it?
Boom, baby! Dang! This thing still ain't coming off. I need a hammer now. Uh-oh.
That's the rust. I can see it. It's all rusted. Smack it with the hammer, with the face. Smack it. And
No, I don't want to smack anything. I'm trying to pry it.
Wouldn't that be worse than smacking the rusters?
No.
You're gonna get sick, Gary. You need a hat on.
What?
You're gonna get sick.
It's not cold out here.
Okay, your ears. I feel 2 ears coming on right now.
Ooh, that's gonna mess with this thing up. I need a chisel. I put this in my trunk so I can hit people with it if I ever get bad enough road rage. So don't mess with me.
I have a bad in my trunk. Ha! That's bigger.
Look at that rust.
Ooh, there it goes. Woo! Yeah,
Oh,
bud.
the brake pad falls in half.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, I don't want to break the line off. That's my #1 concern. This is actually a really short hose leading to this. This hose, if that gets broke right here, then I'm done. I mean, I'd have to buy something. See, I don't want to have to buy anything. I already bought enough stuff. Okay, so let me just deal with the brake first. I could take the rotor off now, but I want to try to separate the outer and inner caliper. It's coming. Hey. Maybe I'll tap it. Oh my! I did not expect that to happen. Well, we got it.
Is that what you were trying to do?
Yeah, I wanted to remove this from that. Because I intend to clean them both. Actually, maybe it's not good to have it this close. If it's this close to me... Yeah, I'm gonna get a twist tie to tie it up there. I don't have baling wire. I just got like a really big twist tie. I don't even know. This was in a box of random stuff I took from my grandpa's garage.
Moobot. We read that a million times. Good to know.
Moobot's a bit of an attention seeker.
We see that, Moobot.
Yeah, all the front or all the back brakes. I agree with that. Wait, why is this not... Sorry about that.
Moved it.
There. So I tied it to the spring, and it's just hanging now. A bread twist tie, exactly. It did it. It worked, right? To save money. I'm just trying to stay alive right now. Like, I don't make that much money, so this is just survival. Like, I can't even pay somebody to do this if I wanted to. Okay, so this is how you do it, guys. Put your butt against the car. Otherwise, you're like doing this. It's weird, you know? Get your butt against the car, and then you can do full strokes. You want to pound the heck out of this thing. Oh, and in case, I'm just skipping the part where I go like this. Oh, the rotor won't come off. I'm skipping that part because I already know it won't.
There it goes. Awesome. That is awesome. Shut up. That is so freaking cool.
I know that from having to research on YouTube how to get a stuck rotor off. Nobody taught me how to get that good angle with the hammer, putting my butt against the car. That was my idea. Remove this rust, apply a coat of navel jelly, let that turn into powder form, which forms a nice kind of primer. The chemical reaction leaves a white residue, which is the same residue left by some chemical primers. And then I was going to spray it all with some kind of paint, enamel paint, in order to retard some of the rust. I don't know if retard is politically correct. No offense. Oh. I'm going to navel jelly everything now. I'm just really busy. I have to restore my whole car, and I have to restore my dad's van. And I'm trying to do it before it gets cold out. So I'm just really on a crunch for time. I have to sell my dad's old van online. And it needs a lot of engine work. So the same problem's happening with these calipers as my other one. These pins don't want to slide in very easily. Watch. Like you gotta. They're still not in. Look at that. There's still a gap. Right here you can see the gap. You can actually see right through it. So I'm pressing down so hard, and it won't even go down. That's because these surfaces got swelled up by rust. So they have to be ground down. Grinding in here and here and here and here and all around that. These areas have to be ground out. And that's why the brake pads were bound up. They weren't able to slide freely because of the rust inside these grooves. So I have to clean this and clean these really well, re-lubricate the brake pads, and then they can slide again. The alternative would be just to file down these brake pad squares. You can actually just file this down, but I prefer to do both because they need to be able to slide freely. I gotta get that pin out. It's rusted in, and I gotta get it out. It's this one. I think I'll start out with a hammer. I don't want to get too rough with this. I tried some pretty substantial tapping. I don't want to ruin anything. Okay. I do like the heat idea, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I will need a blowtorch. You know, it's funny. Nothing when it comes to my car can be easy. Now, of course, the caliper pin doesn't just pull out. We have to blast it with a blowtorch. Of course it can't be that easy. Okay. guys, it's coming! Woohoo! We did it, hit it! Holy shit! Guys, it blew up! What the hell? What was that explosion? Oh my gosh! You know what, in retrospect, I think I should have had safety goggles on. I didn't know it was going to explode. Good grief. You guys see that explosion? That is crazy. We did it! It's like a cigarette. Alright, so now I'm going to grind the caliper pins real good. Clean them up. We're going to have to clean out the inside of the caliper housing brackets. Inside these holes, I'm seeing a lot of metal fragments, and I'm also seeing rust, and that's not okay. So I'm going to get a 1/2-inch pipe cleaner thing and clean it out. Trying to get this 1/2-inch copper pipe cleaner into this housing unit. Yeah, it went in, baby. See that? I'm going to clean out the inside with brake parts cleaner now. Thanks for the warning, TXT. Yeah, I'll turn my head away, or I'll squint. Wow. Thanks for the warning, man. That stuff really could have got in my eye if I wasn't thinking about it. It really like has a huge ricochet. Okay, so we are spreading. Actually, I'm going to massage the boot wider if I can. Maybe give it some memory. So we're just opening it and closing it, getting this thing used to being a little wider. Kind of breaking it in, that's all. I feel like grabbing it like this would be better. We did it, Reddit! Look at that! I'll probably put some silicone lubricant like around it or something. I don't know. I just don't want any to squeeze behind there, like moisture and rust to get up behind there. By the way, this is silicone lubricant, which does not have petroleum in it, so it will not act adversely with the rubber. This is silicone lubricant. I'm just going to smother it around, kind of sealing up the entrance area. I believe this will prevent corrosion for quite a while. Who knows how long, really. But what I would have liked to have done on that side, which I'm not going to do now because I don't want to risk taking it off, is just put it all over on here first, on the bare metal that we just cleaned. And that should help prevent corrosion. I put lube everywhere. I feel like this will prevent rust from getting underneath the brackets. The rust that gets underneath the brackets makes the brackets squeeze on the brake pads, and the brake pads get seized, and then they wear prematurely. So I feel like this might make the whole system work better. I just don't want rust getting where I'm putting this lube right now. That's the worst place for rust to gather. I don't know if it's even going to work, but it's worth a try, right? Yes, got one. This is just a test fit, by the way. I'm making sure everything fits. Yes! Yes! Anti-seize on everything. Okay. I cleaned the coating off on the rotors. I don't know if I did a good job, but I did spray it with brake cleaner. I do not own a torque wrench, so I just go by feel. I do like hand tight and then a quarter turn of really putting on the muscle. And it seems to work out, I guess. Alright, that looks pretty good. Dang it, it pushed off a lot of my grease. Okay, now we're gonna yeah. Okay, I caught that time. Alright, I guess that's it, huh?